level account, but it is very good for grade 11 and BCom students also. Now we go to the next slide. The actual question input. This is the question given over here. Each investor partner and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1, and charge balance is given as at May 31, 2008. Purchasing is given, and all these carried on purchasing in Excel. Right, that's all. You can go through this charge balance, and you go to the next slide. The second part of this second slide for this question. Over here we have some additional information, and the question is in fact really possible. So in this slide, capital account for each invest is given as at 2007, and current account balances, where the credit balances for current account is given, 10,600 for each, and 6,900 for this. Drawings is also given as a debit balance, the opening account in fact, 9,050 and 7,050. This is the total question, and additional information is given over here. The annual stock is given 16,100 at May 2008. During May 2008, accrued salaries and wages were 7,835. Prepaid motor expenses as $8,000. Number 3, repairs which have not added any value to land and building was erroneously added to land and building account, which has to be deducted. Fixture and fittings to be depreciated using straight line method over 5 years. The residual value is estimated at $3,000. Motor vehicles are depreciated using reducing balance method at 50% per year, and provision for doubtful debt of 2% of debtors at May 31, 2008 to be created. Interest is allowed on capital at 5% per year, and rest is entitled to partnership salary of $3,500. What we are required to do is prepare trading, profit and loss and appropriation account for each invest at year ending May 31, 2008, and prepare balance sheet for each invest at May 31, 2008. Now this concludes our actual question. Now the next slide, in the next slide we are going to solve this question, and this is the solution given over here. First of all, trading, profit and loss and appropriation account is prepared, and sales is taken up as 411,320 total sales, and from this total sales we deduct the sales return to get net sales 403,980. Sales return are always resulted from the total sales to get net sales figure. And from this net sales figure we are going to deduct the cost of goods sold, and how to calculate cost of goods sold is given over below over here. Checking stock was 15,200, and total purchases for the year was 207,620, and purchase returns are deducted from this 2160, and we get net purchases of 208,310, and if we add up 208,310 to opening stock, we get goods available for sale 223,510, and from this figure, from goods available for sale, if we deduct closing stock, we get the cost of goods sold. Closing stock is 16,100. It is given in the additional information if you go and check it out. Cost of goods sold is 207,410, and if this figure is deducted from the net sales figure 403,980, we get the gross profit 196,570. Okay. Now from this gross profit we are going to deduct all the expenses. Wages and salaries 101,535. How we come to this figure is given in the last slide, and motor expenses is also worked up in the last slide, 13,800. General expenses are 41,640. Repair expenses 2,000. Depreciation, fixture and fittings is worked up in the last slide as 7,000, and depreciation for motor vehicles is also worked up in the last slide 3625, and provision for doubtful debts is 770. If we add up all the expenses, we get a figure of 169,370, and from gross profit we deduct this or total expenses, we get a figure of net profit, that is 27,200. In the next slide we are going to prepare some appropriation account. Yes, the appropriation account. First of all, we take up the net figure amount, that is 27,200. This is the figure taken from the last slide, and from this net profit we are going to deduct the interest on capital. Interest on capital is east 3,000, and for west is 100, and the figures are worked up in the last slide. Please go and check. You can go and check it. The total interest on capital is 4,500, and this figure is deducted from 27,200. The net profit, we get a figure of 22,700 as the remaining capital net profit, and from this we deduct the partnership salary for west, that is 3,500, and if it is deducted, we get a net profit of 19,200. This profit is to be distributed among the partners in the ratio of 2:3. The working over here, the formula for working over to calculating the profit sharing ratio is given over here, and for east the profit is 12,800, and for west is 6,400. It's very easy. Now we go to the next slide to calculate the balance sheet. All the figures are taken either from the trial balance or from the last figure slide. Land and building at cost is W6 70,000. Fixture and fittings at cost is 38,000 taken from the trial balance, and depreciation is deducted from it 21,000, and we get net figure for fixture and fittings is 17,200, and for cost for motor vehicles is 21,000, and depreciation is deducted from this figure 18,375, and we get a net value for motor vehicles as 2625. Now all the three fixed assets are added up. Land and building 70,000, and fixture and fittings 17,000, and motor vehicles at 265. Total net fixed assets we get a figure of 89,625. Now we can calculate the current assets. First of all, we have to take off the closing stock 2,100. Closing stock this concludes this balance sheet, and we go to the last slide, that is the working for this figure. Workings are given over here. You can see in details, or all the workings are given over here. Please go into details of these things. With this I conclude this slideshow, and request you to please subscribe this channel and to share it with your partners. Thank you so much.